through with you today a next video giving you more examples when it comes to using your Fibonacci's, right? And the reason being is because I know a few persons are actually going to be confused a bit on how to use the Fibonacci's. So this video will give you a bit more guidance on how to use it. And then we also have the webinar section, right, which is going to dive deeper into it. It is really going to dive deeper in it, and especially when you get to the World Truly Confluence video, that is going to dive even way deeper into it. Now, what I need you to focus on is keeping a clear mind. All right, I need you to keep a clear mind, and the reason why I say that is because when you are trading, if you don't have a great mindset, if you have greed in your mind, if you have I need to make this money to pay my rent, you have I'm not satisfied with this couple dollars, you have X, Y, and Z, you're going to blow your account. You're going to blow your account, honestly. What you need to do, you came on this market to make money. If you see the profit, if you're only in profit $10 and it might be going the wrong way, close it. You came to make money. Isn't $10 money, right? So you need to shift that mindset. Stop thinking, oh, I need to drop $1,000. I need to drop $1,000 on this one trade. I'm specking 1,000 pips. It's going in the wrong way. Blah blah blah. Like, come on, take your profit. Take your profit. All right. So that's super important for you to understand. All right. So let's dive into using our fib. So let's go to the 1 hour and let's look at some setups. So what I focus on is really catching breakouts, right? So let's say from right here where the move started. Ready yet? I don't like that one. Yeah. Okay. So what pair am I on? Okay, I'm on GJ. Awesome. So let's say from right here. Why is my screen lagging? So forgive me, fam, if my screen is lagging, right? Let's say, but from right here, from where the move started, from the retrace, back up to here. What we could have do, sorry, let's put this here, is wait till it hit the 50% retracement level or the 61.8. We only want to enter in this zone, family, only in this zone. Sometimes it does bounce off the 38.2. This is another price reversal zone, but I don't focus on that zone. You can if you want, honestly, but I don't focus on that zone. So what you want to do is set your long inside right here, put in the middle, and let's say it's from right here coming up, right? You want to be patient. It didn't hit it, it came back up. Don't enter. Be patient. I'm telling you, patience is key. Now, your stop loss should not be more than 50 pips. Honestly, do not put it more than 50 pips. But I put mine for about 20 pips or sometimes to 15 or 12 pips. Lately, it's just been 12 pips for me. But let's say we set it there, and what we're going to do is set our take profit to TP4. And every time it hits one of our take profit levels, we're going to be taking partials, all right? So from it hits TP1, we move our stop loss and profit. When it hits TP2, we move our stop loss and profit, all right? Immediately. We're protecting our account. Now, watch this, right? It came here, hit it, went down in a bit of drawdown. Wasn't even much, honestly, wasn't much. Short in profit, smack TP1, smack TP2, came back down. You would have been knocked out, of course. But let's say those who held their position, most persons probably going to put like 25 or 50 pip stop loss, 30 pip stop loss. I don't recommend it. If you're doing that, use a very, very low lot size, all right? But look what happened. Came down 20 pips, shot up, smack TP1 again, smack TP2. Consolidated for a bit, smack TP3 and 4. That is crazy. This is crazy, right? That's the power of the fibs, family. Honestly, it's the power of the fibs. And this is where it comes with patience, holding your trade, right? Now, let's look at some more examples on the 1 hour. Sorry, let me just reset my chart. This is lagging. Hope it isn't lagging on the video. All right. Now, what we're going to be doing is, because we can see this is an obvious downtrend, right? We want to catch those moves, right? Right here, we can see going down. So what we're going to do is catch that quick sell. So let's say you want to catch it from right here, from the breakout. Place it there. Let's drag it over. We want to catch it right on that wick. Boom. Came up. Sorry. For a move like this, I honestly would have tried to catch it directly on the 50% retracement level. So let's bring it down 20 pips. Because the overall trend for GJ is an uptrend, I would not be holding this really long. So it'll be 20 pips. Then I would hold this to about TP1. Put this right here. As we could see, came up, went negative for a bit drawdown, smack TP1, smack TP2, and smack TP3, almost smacking TP4. This is insane, family. Using these fibs are insane. So let's go to the 15-minute. You can catch entries on the 15-minute and the 5-minute. 5 minutes should be your last resort, honestly. Honestly, your 5 minutes should be your last resort, right? So what we want to do is measure it from the breakout right here. I mean, from it found the support and it continued up. Now found a new resistance. What we're going to do is put it on this wick right here. Awesome. And what we would do is use our long and place a buy limit right here, setting our stop loss and our take profit based off of these values. So let's do 20 pips right here. Beast, drag it to about TP4 and take partials until it's a 52 pip move on a 15-minute time frame. Drag this over. And what you can do is double click it, right? Go to inputs. You see entry price. This is where you're going to be entering your buy limit. Everyone should know how to use pending orders. You know, buy limit is when you expect price to come down, activate, and shoot back up, right? Profit level will be your take profit. Stop loss will be your stop loss. That's already known. So we have came here, smack TP1, consolidated, smack TP2, came back down, smack TP3, consolidated for a bit, came back down, smack TP4. 51 pips. This is insane. This honestly is insane. Now the 5-minute, you can do the exact same thing, but I would only use this for like a last resort. Honestly, I try not to use this. So we can see where this is a downtrend, right? From up here, we obviously can see this. So let's just say we're over here. We're trying to catch the move. What you would do is you would drag it from the bearish move, right? To the bearish, sorry. There you go. To where it found support on this bearish and bullish wick. On the last wick, you put that on. So here we go. We drag it there, right? And we're going to wait for it to activate. So we're going to put our short right here. We're going to put this to 20 pips, right? Sorry. 20 pips. And let's drag it to TP4. And we're taking partials until 50 pip TP. 20 pip stop loss. That is awesome. It's an awesome ratio, right? So we see it activated, came in profit, smacked TP1. It wicked it actually, came back in negative for a bit, gave away the drawdown, played for a bit, consolidated, came back up, and look what happens. Shot down, smacking TP1, 2, 3, and 4. This is dangerous, family. I want you to practice using these fibs. Let me show you my fibs again one more time, just so you can see it. Here we go. These are the settings that I use. Most persons may wonder, how did I get this setup like this? I need you to make sure you copy every single thing. So what you want to do is ensure, I need you to ensure you have the trend line there. The trend line is that line, so you can see where it is. The levels line is this line. It shows you the thickness of the levels. I would just keep it just to this. You come down and you have the labels to the right over here because you don't want it on the left. This is on the left, is showing the previous price. You don't want that. You want it on the right where there's no price, because you won't be drawing it on, like we're back testing right now. You're going to be drawing it to the future to measure the movement. And what you also want to do is go to background. You're going to turn this off. We don't want that color on the screen, all right? We don't want that on the screen. And just to reiterate, when we're looking to buy, we draw our fibs from the relative high to the relative low. Let me write this down one more time. When looking to buy, you want to draw your fibs from the relative low to the relative high. Vice versa for a So draw it from the relative high to the relative low. And my 0% is TP2. 0.236, that retracement level is TP1, and so on, so on. All right, so on, so on. Meaning these levels right here, this level right here is take profit 1. You always move your stop loss and profit whenever it take profit, or you could close if you don't. Right here, TP2, always move your stop loss when it hits this, and profit. TP3, always move your stop loss when it hits this. TP4, always move your stop loss when it hits this, meaning you take partials and you also move your stop loss. All right. Now, if you want, you can let it run. That's totally up to you, but I tend to protect my profit. All right. That ends this video for this section. I hope everyone is having a great day. Let's get this money.